Using the mechanical multi-user lock is as easy as spin, set, and scramble. Find an open locker with a lock in the unlock position. After placing your contents inside the locker, close the door and spin each of the 3 dials to set your personal 3-digit combination. Next, turn the lock knob to the lock position. Scramble the 3 dials. Check to make sure the locker stays closed. Unlocking is just as simple. Spin each of the 3 dials back to your personal 3-digit combination. Next, turn the knob to the unlock position and open the door. Leave the lock in the unlock position and scramble the dials to keep your combination secret.